So hello and welcome to our new episode of Space Origami video series. I hope that you all are healthy and taking good care of yourself and others around you. So as you all know that every week we bring a new activity under the Space Origami video series. I hope that you all have seen our previous episodes of the Space Origami series in which we made some paper models using paper folding techniques. So moving forward in the same order, today we are going to make straw rocket. So to make the straw rocket we need a scissor, a flat sheet of paper, glue, tape and a scale and a straw. So collect all these material at a place. So these materials are easily available at your home. So let's make the rocket with me. Are you ready to make the rocket? So these are the materials required for our activity. So this is the scissor, straw, glue, a scale and this is a flat square sheet of paper. So the dimension of this paper is 15 by 15 centimeter. So we will cut the different part of this paper of different dimensions to make the different parts of the rocket. So firstly we will make the rocket body and it will be of cylindrical shape. So you can pause the video and see the measurements mentioned on the paper. So firstly we will cut the cylindrical part. This line should be of 15 centimeter and this one should be of 6.5 centimeter. So we will cut out this portion of this paper to make the cylindrical body of our rocket. So we will cut it. So after making the cylindrical body of the rocket, now we are going to make the fins for our rocket. So firstly I would like to tell you the function of the fins. So the function of fins is to provide the stability during the flight. And now we will use the 4 fins over here. So dimension for making the fins mentioned on this paper. So you can just pause the video and try to see the dimension for this fins, because we are going to make rockets. And you already know that it requires lot of precision while designing the rocket. All the parts should be of accurate measurement. So you can see the measurements for making the fins. So our fins are ready. So now we will make a rocket body. So we will make a cylindrical shape with the help of this sheet of paper like this. So we will use it to make it of cylindrical shape. So our rocket body is prepared now. Now we will stick the fins on it. So just like this, we will stick with the help of glue. So one on this side and this one on this side. So it should be like this. So we will stick it with the help of the glue and tape. And now we have fixed the fins properly on the rocket. We will use a tape on this side and on this side also for making a firm grip. So after making the fins and the cylindrical body, now we will further make a nose for our rocket. The function of nose cone is to minimize the air resistance, because its aerodynamic shape minimize the air resistance for our rocket. So we have cut up paper 4 by 4 centimeter dimensions, and now we will make a nose cone with the help of this. So we will make a nose cone with the help of this paper. So now the nose cone is ready for our rocket. Now we will fix it onto the top of our rocket. It actually looks like bigger in size, so we will cut it as per our requirement. So now we have fixed the fins and the nose cones on our rocket, and now our rocket is prepared. Now we need a straw. So if you don't have any straw at your home, so you can just make it like this. I have already made this straw at my home. So this is for the demo. I have already prepared another rocket for our use. So this one is better than this. Now we are ready to launch our rocket. This is a rocket and this is a straw, and we will fill it with a pressurized air with our mouth. So let's insert this straw into the rocket body and just screw it like this. So guys, this is how we can utilize our time to do some fun filled and knowledgeable activities. So if you like the video, then smash the like button, subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we update any new content for you. So thank you guys.